What is a PDU? A PDU, Professional Development Unit, is a measure of time spent learning or contributing to project management skills and knowledge. You need PDUs to renew PMI certifications like PMP, ACP, or CAPM. PDU requirements for PMP Renewal. 60 PDUs every 3 years. Minimum of 35 PDUs in education. Minimum of 25 PDUs in giving back to the profession. You can have all 60 PDUs in education if you prefer, but giving back PDUs are easy to earn and beneficial. How PDUs work. 1 hour of qualifying activity equals 1 PDU. Activities must relate to project management knowledge areas, people skills, leadership, negotiation, conflict management, or business acumen, delivering value, product development. PDUs earned can often count towards multiple PMI certifications if relevant. Categories for PDUs: 1. Education PDUs, minimum 35 required. Split across 3 skill areas. Project management, ways of working. Leadership, power skills. Business acumen, ways to earn education. PDUs, formal courses or training, in-person or online, with certificates of completion. Organization or PMI chapter, meetings with an educational component. Online webinars, digital media, or video courses, e.g. projectmanagement.com or Udemy. Self-directed learning like reading the PMBOK or PMI guides, with notes as proof. Informal learning like lunch and learns, mentoring discussions, or structured group learning. 2. Giving back PDUs, minimum 25 required. Giving back involves sharing knowledge, volunteering, or applying project management professionally. Examples include working as a project management practitioner, 8 PDUs max, just submit proof of employment and job description. Creating content such as blogs, videos, webinars, or presentations, 1 hour equals 1 PDU. Giving presentations within your organization or PMI chapters. Mentoring or teaching others in project management. Volunteering with PMI chapters or other professional organizations. Tips and notes. PMI now offers automatic PDU tracking through affiliated platforms like projectmanagement.com, which logs your PDUs once you complete webinars or courses. You can double-dip PDUs across certifications if the content applies to both, e.g., PMP and ACP. For informal activities, keep evidence such as notes, agendas, mentoring agreements, or emails to support your claims. A full academic degree doesn't count as PDUs, but individual courses or units within the degree do. Quick cheat sheet: how to get PDUs. Fast use online courses from platforms like Udemy, usually inexpensive and flexible. Attend PMI chapter events or webinars, often free or low cost. Claim PDUs for working in your role, easy 8 PDUs. Create content or present within your organization, easy to get more PDUs. Read PMI guides or project management books, self-study PDUs. Mentor or coach peers or team members. Bonus. Tips. You can use PDUs across multiple PMI certifications if the content overlaps, like between PMP and ACP. Keep documentation for everything: notes, agendas, emails, attendance certificates. This helps in case of audits. Projectmanagement.com and PMI's integration makes earning and claiming PDUs easier than ever. Conclusion. Renewing your PMI certification is easier than ever in 2025 with digital tracking and many flexible options. Use the 60 PDUs wisely across education and giving back to maintain your credential and keep your project management skills sharp and current.